हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, मेरे अब तक के वीडियोस में आपने मेंटल एडिशन, मेंटल सब्ट्रैक्शन और टेबल्स लिखने की ट्रिक्स देखी। आई थिंक यू लाइक इट एंड दीज आर वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द कमिंग सेशन। फ्रेंड्स, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रिक्स इन वैदिक मैथ्स फॉर कैलकुलेशंस. All are based on some Vedic Sut and Sub-Sutras. And each trick has some particular condition which tells us about where these tricks are applicable. You have to remember those conditions. Today we are going to learn a very easy multiplication trick. So first we discuss its condition, where it is applicable. This trick is applicable to those two-digit numbers whose tens digit are same and sum of unit digit is 10. We can call these numbers as big friends, close friends, or complement of 10. So examples of close friend digits are 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. All these digits have the sum 10. So let's take the example of our trick. Suppose we have to multiply 23 into 27. See here, the tens digit is same, it is 2, and the unit digit, the sum of unit digit is 10. So these are close friends. To multiply these numbers, we have the answer has two parts. One is right part and the second is left part. To get the right part, we multiply the unit digit numbers, that is 3 into 7, this is 21. We multiply the numbers 2, consecutive number of 2, that is 3. 2 multiply with 3, which is 6. So our final answer is 621. Here we multiply unit digits and write on the right part, and in left part the tens digit get multiplied with its consecutive digit, that is 2 multiply with 3. Let's see another example. If you have to multiply 54 multiply with 56, so the answer has two parts. One is right part and the other is left part. In the right part, we multiply 4 multiply with 6, which is 24, and on the left part the 5 multiply with a consecutive number, that is 6. 5 multiply with 6, which is 30. How we get it? 5 multiply with its consecutive digit, that is 5 multiply with 6, which is 30. So our final answer is 3024. So in this way, you can easily multiply these type of numbers. But always remember the condition that the left digit must be same and the right digit must be close friends. That is, the tens digit must be same and the unit digit must be complement of 10. Also remember that the right part must have always two digits. If there is only one digit in the right part, then always put 0 on the left side. Let's take an example of this. Suppose we have to multiply 71 with 79. So first we multiply 1 into 9, which is on the right part. So 1 multiply 9 is 9, but it is only one digit. We have to remember that on the right part there must be two digits. If there is only one digit on the right part, always put 0 before it. So it becomes a 2 digit. And now in the left part, we just multiply 7 multiply with 8. So it is 56. So our final answer is 5609. It is our final answer. In this way, you can practice for many more examples, or you can download the practice sheet from the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching my video.